strange girl. I will have to watch her for a few days. Hey, forget about the fritters. Go and pour cold water on your hand and apply some sugar, or else you'll get blisters all over your hand. Go quickly.
Thank you.
Hey, Kesri! Get the beaten rice which was prepared for breakfast.
I am bringing it. Beaten rice.
Hey, hold on. What's this? Haven't you explained the rules of this house to her yet?
Please forgive me. She committed a mistake since she's new. She started serving everyone without asking me.
Oh God. Actually, I wasn't aware and hence I'm sorry if I committed a mistake.
It's okay, but this shouldn't be repeated henceforth. I'll explain it to you. It's the principle of this house that unless and until everyone comes to the table, food isn't served to anyone. Got it?
Got it.
Where is Tara? Why hasn't she come yet? Tara!
I am here. Actually, Deep is taking me on a date today, so I was getting ready. Good morning, baby.
Good morning, baby.
Come, sit. Oh God, always grace my family with your blessing. Keep everyone happy. Help everyone in making progress. Serve now. Deep, what's up with that minister? Get him out of trouble, only then he will be useful for us.
The minister has been charged with corruption. I've called the head of the Anti-Corruption Bureau for a meeting. He'll surely listen to me and wrap up this case too.
Okay.
Deep, how will we go out on a date if you go for a meeting?
This meeting is very important, baby. We'll go on a date too after the meeting is over.
Sure.
Sure.
What a fairy tale romance you both share. There's simply no change since childhood till now. Everything changes after marriage, but nothing has changed in the case of these two. Amazing.
Why don't you get married again? Things will only get better for you.
Laugh as much as you want since you all won't laugh after some time anyway. In order to find a weak link, I'll have to stay near them so that I can attack when the right time arrives.
Yes, Mr. Shinde. So what were you saying? The minister has corruption charges against him and can't get out of it. Shinde, enough of being so honest, man. Listen to me and wrap up the case.
The file won't be closed. The minister will have to be arrested.
This is exactly what we don't want. No one benefits from honesty. Listen to me and just close the case. You'll be happy and even I will be.
Keep this bag for yourself. What did you think? That you can buy anything with your money?
There is no doubt about that. Money is everything. Money can buy everything. Love, joy, sorrows, everything. Everything.
Which means Deep is an agent in this house who cracks all the deals. God knows what other secrets I have to find out. Deep! Are you done? Come on now, we are getting late.
I'll be right there. We're about to end this meeting.
I don't know when will your meeting get over. And I'm getting bored, come on. Come.
This work of yours will never happen. What you're trying to do is bribe the wrong man. You're trying to pressurize me. Do you know the consequences? You can be arrested for bribing an officer. Your family will be defamed.
Deep, are we done?
Tara, please wait. Forget about my family, Mr. Shinde. Just think about yours. You have a daughter who goes to school every morning. And times are very cruel. Imagine what happens if she is kidnapped by someone.
Wait. Why do I have to always wait? Couldn't he do this in his office? This is more important than me. Let's see what else she does. Ouch! You, middle class illiterate girl, you have had it now. Oh! Can't you watch while you mop? I fell down because of you! Do you even realize the worth of this dress? You will die for this. You will! Deep?
No, Tara. You should not hit the poor.
Oh. So you're worried about the poor people and the ministers. But you're not worried about your fight. Fine. I don't want to go out with you. Move!
Tara, listen to me. Tara.
Liar. Such a big liar. Expressing sympathy for the poor. The entire family is full of liars and hypocrites. Every person over here has a mask on them which I will remove.
Hey Kesari, what are you thinking about? Will you keep mopping all day? Or will you do something else too? Go to Deep's room and clean the room, it's littered. Go on.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.